We'd always installed air conditioners into the windows and taken them out, and we just thought it'd be nice to have air conditioning at the ready. My main reason is always, will it boost property value? I feel good about that. I got quotes from 2 other companies and didn't have that kind of sense when they came. They weren't quite sure what they were going to do or how they were going to do it. So when Raphael came, and I said, we want a unit here on the first floor, we want units in the bedrooms here, we've got a 3rd floor studio. The catch is I don't want the outdoor units to be seen anywhere. I want them on the far side of the house. And he said, yep, no problem. He said, what I'll do is we'll do this and we'll do that. He knew everything. He was a sales guy, but he knew everything, and I could tell. They're very, very professional. The day they came, it was pouring out. They were outside and inside. They set up an awning tent thing outside to work under. They put down tarps to walk on inside, and they all wore booties. They were polite and kind and careful, and when they left, there wasn't a speck of dirt anywhere. That impressed me. I've gone with lower bidders on other projects in the past, and I've always regretted it. Just knowing they were going to take care of my house and do it right, that's what I would tell people if I'm talking about SumZero.